Golly, I've got a minute left to catch fish on here. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, dude, that's a good fish. He's peeling. That's a toad. Oh, guys. Giant smallmouth. Giant smallie. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my God. Okay, let him peel, let him peel, let him peel. Oh, guys. That's a toad. That's a toad, that's a toad. That's a giant. Okay, let him peel, let him peel, let him peel, let him peel. Oh, my goodness. Hey, calm down, calm down. Oh, wow. Just calm down. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Help me, help me, help me. Tire him out, tire him out. Good now? Okay, we're not done. Loosen my drag. Calm down. Oh, no. Come back, come back, come back. My ultralight can't handle this. Stay on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, no. Come on. Come here.
You get it on video?
Yes. Oh, boy. That's a toad.
Is it a smallmouth?
That's a giant smallmouth, Jack. That is a toad. Oh, my God. And I just stopped recording.